The Sawyer water filtration system is a portable water filter that can be used to remove bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics from water. It is a popular choice for hikers, campers, emergency preparedness, and travelers who need a reliable way to filter their drinking water. There are a number of different Sawyer water filtration systems available, each with its own pros and cons. In this gear review, I will be reviewing the Sawyer Squeeze, which sells for $46. It can be found on Amazon or often at Walmart. In a future gear review, I will show the 1 gallon gravity water filtration system, which sells for $39.
I'm going to illustrate the Sawyer water filter, and normally in my everyday carry I carry this bag here that comes with the Sawyer filter, and this is what is, I consider, a contaminated source. So I would fill it up with the water and then attach this to the Sawyer filter. And then I would squeeze it into this 1 gallon bag that I bought separately from the Sawyer company. But for purposes of the demonstration, I want to show you a couple things. One is that you can use just about anything bottle that has a standard soda bottle opening. And so because this is clear, I'm going to use that, and I'll just yield. Okay, so it's filled up to the top, and I'll set this over here. And the receiving bottle will be a smart water bottle, empty one, and this could have just as easily filled up with water. Okay, now I'm going to take out the Sawyer filter, take it out of the baggie that I keep it in. And you try to keep things as clean as you can. If you take our Sawyer, take the cap off, put that in the pockets. You don't want to lose little parts and so on. Here's the, in theory, the contaminated water, or unfiltered water. We screw this on. Nice and tight. Then we take our receiving bottle, pull this out, and just connect the two. And you can see that it's starting to bring up some air as we squeeze it on out. One of the advantages to the bag is it's easier to squeeze it. It's sort of like squeezing out toothpaste. So, I'll show you how much I've got. I've just got a little bit there, and bon appetit. Tastes great.
Now let's illustrate the Sawyer Squeeze using the bag that comes with the product to be the source of the unfiltered.
Let's go ahead and take the bag, the squeeze bag, and fill it up. take the water filter patch out. Make sure it's nice and tight. So now let's take a regular bag that's sold with the squeeze system from Sawyer and see how that works. Actually, you get a little bit of gravity fed, but not much. But I'm predicting that where we can roll the bottle, yeah, it's squeezing out the water much faster. It's a little bit of an encumbrance to have to squeeze it out, but you get quite a bit with each squeeze, so it is worth the squeeze. We've got about half the bottle or half of the bag emptied, and so that's filtered water. Delicious.